Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, imagine being called okay. We show yakini by your brother's girlfriend. Tirelo angmazi ukuthi sithathaphi isibindi to say something like that, and she knew very well ukuthi the siblings were going to hear her. Abongwe was so angry, you guys, but I was just asking myself low-key, are these siblings scared of Tirelo because they just sat there and laughed it off? Guys, could it be that Tirelo feels like she is the content of the show, and that's the reason why she has the boldness to say something like that? We family show yabanya bantwana. But then again, even if she thought in that way, guys, would she be lying? Because if we are honestly speaking, guys, what are the other siblings bringing to the show? Fine, Uabongwe, Benoluanze, and Umpilo, they are great. When Umpilo and Uabongwe, they are great when it comes to diary sessions, commentary. Uluanze, he is funny, but guys, let's just be honest. Tirelo is bringing the content on the show. Also, Tirelo unmangazi in a diary session when she said, these siblings, they have secrets amongst one another. But anyway, angikho lapho. Tirelo, my babe, no matter what Umpumelelo tells you, do not ever pride yourself wena, imfihlo of the siblings. Because at the end of the day, these people, they will fight against one another. They will have secrets against one another, or whatever the case may be. But they have one another's backs. Don't ever be the person who's going to bring division among siblings. So Izingane bazokushaya estigini. And maybe this is the reason, guys, that Umpumelelo didn't want his girlfriend to be close with his family. Buga bunjani manje. Maybe the reason why Tirelo is even calling them amakhogi is because sometimes Tirelo expects them to have her backs, but they don't really have her back nje kanjalo. Because I saw some people were saying ukuthi abongwe benompilo or two-faced. And maybe they're saying that because they're expecting abongwe and Pilo to have Tirelo's back somehow. Guys, that is not your family at the end of the day. Yes, get along with people, but have boundaries. But one thing I will give to Tirelo, though a lot of people were criticizing her, saying, how does a girlfriend give advice to the wife? This is when Tirelo was giving Wamahle advice, telling Wamahle Geli, enjoy the relationship while you can enjoy it. Finish your studies, and then you can see all of these things. I think, guys, that was real solid advice. For me, it was giving elderly sister type of vibes. The person who stresses me out the most, guys, or is starting to stress me out the most, Amahe. Because at least Tirelo, she ngena this thing being blind in a sense. Got to Amahe, guys. Amahe is seeing the red flags left, right, and center like Pam Gwake, and she's so nonchalant about anything. I'm like, Amahe, I am worried on behalf of you, my babe. You can't be seeing all of these things and you're like, nothing is making you want to balega. That strategy of being a quiet person, guys, it works up until a certain time. It's not going to work forever. No muntu ofana no mpumelelo. But anyway, guys, I think this whole thing that of Tirelo giving the siblings attitude, I don't think they're going to like her much going forward. But if we are being quite honest, I don't think they loved her in the way they loved Uvuyogazi. I just think they were tolerating her and being nice to her, but I don't think there was any sort of loyalty towards Tirelo. But anyway, let's wait up until next week, because it looks like someone is going to try and challenge Tirelo for what she says, and Umpumelelo, it looks like he stands up for Tirelo and he is going to propose. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.